This video tutorial I will explain what is AWS SNS subscription DLQ. DLQ is nothing but dead letter queue. AWS SNS is used to send messages to different places like email, SMS, mobile apps or AWS services. But sometimes messages fail to be delivered due to issues like network problems, wrong configurations or unavailable endpoints. To avoid losing these failed messages, AWS SNS provides a subscription DLQ. In this diagram, you can see different participants: publisher, SNS topic, subscribers, and dead letter queue. What is a subscription DLQ? Subscription DLQ is a special Amazon SQS queue that stores failed SNS messages. If an SNS message cannot be delivered to the subscriber after multiple retries, it is sent to DLQ instead of being lost. This helps you to analyze failed messages, debug issues, and retry sending them later. Now we will see how it works. A publisher sends messages to SNS topic. The SNS topic forwards the message to subscribers like email, Lambda function, or SQS queue. If the message fails to be delivered after multiple retries, the message is sent to DLQ instead of being discarded. You can check the DLQ to see the failed messages and find out why they failed and resend the messages if needed. Now we will see the example scenario. Imagine you have an SNS topic that sends order notifications to Lambda function. If the Lambda function is working correctly, it will receive and process the SNS messages. If the Lambda function is down or misconfigured, SNS will try multiple times but fail to deliver the message. Instead of losing the order notification, SNS move the message to the DLQ. Later, developer can check the DLQ and find the failed messages and fix the issue and retry sending the messages. Why we have to use subscription DLQ? First point is prevents message loss. Failed messages are not lost, they are stored for later review. Second point is helps debugging. You can check why messages failed and fix the problem. Third point is allows message recovery. You can retry sending the messages after fixing the issues. Fourth point is improves system reliability. Ensures that important notifications are not missed due to temporary issues. How to set up a subscription DLQ? First, create Amazon SQS queue, that will be your DLQ. Then enable DLQ in SNS subscription settings by linking the SQS queue. Then set a retry policy. For example, try delivering the messages 3 times before sending it to DLQ. Then monitor the DLQ to check the failed messages and take action. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.